Our round hosts are Spokes Bike Shop, and they've brought us an 8k old school lap, really fast flowing, loads of little jumps to pop off.
I'm feeling so hollow, don't you know, don't you know, I'm living in shadow, don't you know, don't you know, I fell for fool's gold, I fell for fool's gold. What did I know? What did I know? I fell for fool's gold, I fell for fool's gold. What did I know? What did I know? You were fool's gold. Yes, I did.
Oh, it was awesome today. Yeah, they put on a fantastic course, Midlands XC, for the round one. It was really fast in places, some really great downhill sections, very muddy in places as well, so it was quite technical. Really kind of took quite a lot of energy out of you, but it was awesome, and it got better as the race went on. It started to rain quite heavy at one point and it made it really slippy. But it just added to it. It was just a great course, and it was a great start to the season for the Midlands XC. So I can't wait for the next one.
Yeah, it was fun, hard. The climbs I actually really enjoyed because that's what I like. Really muddy single track, which was quite hard. Some trees that were a bit too close together that I managed to crash into. But nah, it was really good and a lot of fun.
I fell for